In this video I am going to show you how to delete search history on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open TikTok apps. After that, go to profile icon. Next, click on TikTok three dot icon right corner, and after that you see that setting and privacy, and tap on setting and privacy and scroll down and tap on activity center. Tap on search history, and already you can see that search history, and you select them search history, delete all button. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.